We're staying at the Voco Hotel in Fareham, and we've booked through Paultons Breaks as we're off to Paultons Park. Now, when you do book through Paultons Breaks, you do get a second day free in the park, which is fantastic. We are, however, staying 2 nights here just because it is quite a drive for us, but you can stay the 1 night and still get the 2 days in the park free. Now, we have previously stayed at this hotel. It did used to be a Holiday Inn, still part of the IHG group, however it's now Voco. They do have a swimming pool here, which is really good, and also a gym, but if you do want to go swimming, I do recommend you book a slot because it does get busy. So this is our room. Now, there was 3 of us, so we've stayed in a triple room. See, the bathrooms are really clean. The shower was really powerful as well, which was nice, and the toiletries are included there as well. You've got your towel rail, soap and sink there. So basic, but really happy with it. Loads of hanging space. Teas, coffees and coffee bags as well. If you're a coffee snob like me, actual coffee, which was nice. Hot chocolate. And you've got a fridge here and also a safe. So we had ample space for our couple of nights here. I was really pleased with the storage. Bed was really comfortable, and then our son had the sofa bed. And they do cater for children here, which is really nice. So the children get an activity pack, which you can see there. We've got a window. My son was really happy because he also got a Freddo as well, which was a nice little touch. So we'll make our way over to breakfast. You've got outside area there, and then you've got the reception area and the bar here. And yeah, really nice seating area over here if you want to have a couple of drinks in the evening as well. So we're just now making our way over to breakfast. Now, it is a buffet. However, one thing they have changed is you can order to your table. So if you want something specific, they will do that for you. So my son, for instance, had pancakes. He asked for them and then they did do them, which was nice. So you've got all your cooked breakfasts there, all your hot food. You've then got the croissants here, and then here's just a layout of what you can order to your table. Hope this has been helpful. Please like and subscribe for more.